Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post threads and engage with followers. So I will be on my threads, and before the posting you will just make sure that you will have optimize your profile, use a clear profile picture and concise bio that highlights your niche. And after you will just tap on this post button, and from here you will just select any of your posts or your niche, and you will just import it here. So you will just post consistently and maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. And you will just engage your audience, respond to comments, and participate in discussions to build community. So you will just write a caption, anyone, cat, and make sure you will just don't forget to that tag topic tags. So like AI cat. So you will just tab on it, and you will know that I use a relevant tags to enhance discoverability and join trending topics. So you can just offer a value, share informative, entertaining, or problem solving content, or related to AI, which is the next generation topics on digitals. And you will just also cross promote or share your threads content on other social media platforms to attract followers, like on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. You can just use this all. So this is you can just post threads and engage with followers more. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.